Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have a dirty car, but what I have here is a car wash brush. Sorry, it's got a lot of tape on it, but we got this, and I'll show you what we've got. So this is the brush here, and it is soft. So it's soft brush, so that's not gonna hurt me, but it does have this solid part there. You can screw it onto a pole or one of those poles that squirts even too and have it spray inside of there, or you can just use it by hand and use it to clean your car. Look at that, it even cleans the dust off. It's actually kind of does that even dry. But how cool. So it's a nice soft brush. I needed a new brush, and you can see there's the dust that it pulled off of that car just now. So pretty cool, nice little brush, super soft, and it goes on a pole and you can just clean your car, take it to a car wash, or if you wanna do something like that, or just hook it up on the hose, whatever you need. So awesome, thumbs up for sure.